We are starting out this morning with mostly cloudy skies across our areas. We're getting ready to head out to the bus stop. Really, the bus stop this morning and this afternoon are going to be two quiet parts of the day because we had rain overnight, so everything's wet. We have a couple of sprinkles on the radar, but really for the next 2 hours or so, getting kids to school, we're going to be in the mid-60s with relatively quiet conditions, mainly just cloudy skies. And once kids are getting out of school at 3 o'clock this afternoon, it's also relatively quiet. It will be windy this afternoon. Temperatures will get up around 68 to 70 degrees, but the chances of storms will happen in between. It really probably will affect kids when they're in school, not really when they're getting there and coming home today. So when we're looking outside this morning, we really see a pretty quiet start. You can see that cloud cover, that layer of clouds. This is where 23 and the bypass meet, and you can obviously see traffic is moving without a problem. We did have rain overnight, so those clouds are here because of that, and everything's damp and kind of soggy, but otherwise we're quiet for the moment. But I want to point out what we're going to see. So your morning drive should be relatively easy. Again, your bus stop forecast is really easy beginning and end of the day, but the middle part is where we get the showers and storms. So it's warm and muggy right now. We have wet streets and puddles from rain that already has ended, and the rain and storms that are going to be our new ones for today really don't start until after 10 o'clock. So if your morning drive doesn't start until 10, 11 o'clock, then you're going to see showers and storms during your morning drive. Now, the amount of water we've had so far from the rain that fell, it started last night in the evening, it fell overnight, and it's out of here already. It produced about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain in most spots, so it wasn't a major amount, but it was enough that you're going to see some of the areas of standing water. That rain is this rain that's over in Ohio right now, and that is tracking east. It's the same storm system, it's just a different part of it. So that was what we had overnight. We're in this break area where there aren't showers and storms, but on the backside of the system, right in here, this is where we're seeing the cold front and a line of storms developing. And as that boundary moves close to us, we're going to get a couple of things to happen. Actually, 3 things to happen. We are certainly going to see a chance of showers and thunderstorms. So the storms are possible between 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock this afternoon as that boundary rolls through. When the storms roll through, as that boundary is moving through, the winds will increase. Not in the thunderstorms, but just regular windy conditions will continue after those storms are out of here. And then the colder air is going to move in. And when I say colder air, I'm not talking frigid air. I'm just talking colder than what we've had. We will still hit 70 degrees today, but you can see the cooler air off to the northwest. That moves in with the cold front as we head into tomorrow. We're right around 60 tomorrow, and then we'll see temperatures back into the 50s starting on Friday. So there's that line of showers and thunderstorms that I'm talking about. It's not here right now, but it will be right along, it'll be right on our doorstep by about 9 o'clock this morning. Noon, 11 o'clock to noon, most of you will start to see showers and thunderstorms. It exits our area really between 1 and 2, and then it really kind of blows up into a really big line of storms. I expect severe weather in this, but mostly focused into Ohio as it pushes away from us. Once we get into this evening, we're nice and quiet. If you have evening plans or practices after school, you should be in good shape, mainly because those storms will end early enough that the ground may be wet tonight, but we won't see any chances of rain as we head into this evening. Now, our next chance of rain returns tomorrow. We won't see it in the morning, but we will see another chance of rain tomorrow afternoon and evening. Here's Futurecast, 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. There you see those showers into tomorrow night, and that's our last chance of rain through the weekend. So your forecast today, we end up at 70 degrees, will be mostly cloudy. Storms, again, middle part of the day and then breezy after that. Tonight will be relatively quiet. We're partly cloudy. We drop down to 48, and this is where it gets cooler. Again, you're not going to need your winter coat, but only 60 tomorrow. We have a chance of showers tomorrow evening, and then the coldest day headed our way will be Saturday, where we only top out at 50. Blue Gold game on Saturday, so I thought we would have some football weather.
That's right.
To make everybody feel as comfortable as possible. Yes.
But at least usually, like in the regular season, you don't want to be on the sun side of the field because it starts to get a little toasty.
Yeah.
This time you probably do want to sit on the sun side of the field.
Yeah, although I can say some of you who've been to the Blue Gold game in recent years remember when it was sleeting and snowing.
True.
This time, 50 is great.
Yeah, with
right?
sun,
Yeah.
we'll take that.
Yeah.
Not so bad. Carrie, thank you.